Yeah, they like the way I do this when I crank it like a chainsaw. Yeah, they like the way I do this when I crank it like a chainsaw. Full throttle, heavy metal, set the bar, next level, wasteland.
Hello, my name is Victor Skascowski, and I am a world champion American-Canadian lumberjack. I'm also the lumberjack that you saw last year's at the Dwow. I'm looking forward to seeing you all once again during this year's Dwow, March 27th through the 29th. Make sure you sign up by the 15th. This year we are having a unique competition. This competition is doing your own version of the chainsaw dance by Family Force 5 in the most abstract, funny place that you can think of, like this video clip of me. You will need to submit the video to Mr. Davis, right over, well, wherever Aaron is. And yes, you can also email your video to Aaron or post the video using the hashtag Dwow15. You must submit your video by March the 11th. The winner of the most unique chainsaw video will be announced at the APEX of Dwow. Get to work, and I will see you on March 27th.
You know it's going off.